Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sunshine Academy. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Telangana Public Service Commission, Hyderabad. Group 4 Services Notification No. 19/2022, dated the 1st of December 2022. General Recruitment. Notification for verification of certificates. It is hereby informed that the candidates with the following hall ticket numbers are picked up for certificate verification on the basis of examinations held on the 1st of July 2023 with a notification No. 19/2022 dated the 1st of December 2022. The certificate verification will be conducted at the Telangana Public Service Commission, MJ Road, Nampally, Hyderabad and at Sri Potti Sriramulu Telugu University, near Public Garden Road, Nampally, Hyderabad. The candidates who are called for verification of certificates have to produce the following certificates in original along with a set of photostat copies duly self-attested at the time of verification of certificates. The candidate should show utmost care while exercising web auctions, as these web auctions will be considered for final selection. In this regard, candidates are directed to use the web auctions link provided from the 13th of June 2024 onwards in Commission's website, web links. The candidates are directed to exercise web auctions without fail before attending certificate verification. Candidates who have exercised web auctions only will be allowed for the certificate verification on the scheduled date. Note: the day-wise schedule for certificate verification will be available on Commission's website later. For further details, visit Commission's website. The following certificates must be kept ready by the candidates for the purpose of verification. 1. Checklist. Basic information data to be filled by the candidate. Checklist can be downloaded from the Commission's website. 2. Submitted application PDF can be downloaded from the Commission's website. 2 copies. 3. Hall ticket. 4. Date of birth certificate, SSC memo. 5. School study certificate from 1 to 70th class or certificate of residence, nativity, when the candidate has not studied in school but studied privately or in open school. 6. Provisional and convocation certificate and marks memo, graduation, post-graduation for required qualification. 7. Integrated community certificate, caste certificate, issued by the Telangana government, only with the name of father or mother. 8. Non-creamy layer certificate for BC community candidates with father name or with mother name, in case of single parent, as per memo number 3009, BCWOP, 2011, Government of Telangana, BC Welfare, Op. Dept. Date, the 18th of December 2015, GOM's number 20 BCW, Op. Department dated, the 31st of October 2017, prescribed format hosted on website. Other backward classes certificate, OBC certificate, is not allowed. 9. For married women, integrated community certificate and non-creamy layer certificate with the husband name are not allowed. 10. EWS certificate issued for the financial year prior to the year of notification. Financial year 2021-2022, issued by the competent authority of Telangana government. 11. Proof of age relaxation in case of Telangana government employee. Regular service certificates from the concerned department, Government of Telangana, NCC instructor certificate, retrenched census service certificate, ex-serviceman certificate if any. 12. PH certificate, Sedarum certificate. 13. NOC from employer for in-service candidates. 14. 2 copies of attestation forms duly signed by gazetted officer, can be downloaded from the Commission's website. 15. Declaration of the unemployed. 16. Declaration as Hindu, for post code 70. 17. Any other relevant document in pursuance of notification No. 19/2022. Dated, the 1st of December 2022. 18. The candidates who are eligible and applied for post code Nos 94 and 95 should bring the medical certificate duly attested by the appellate medical authority not below the rank of civil assistant surgeon for physical measurements. 19. Latest 3 passport size photos. If, on further verification, it is found that any candidate is not eligible with reference to the particulars furnished by him, her in the application form, checklist, certificates, the results of such candidates shall be cancelled at any stage of selection process without any prior intimation. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.